Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix call failed issue on iPhone. Solution 1. Remove the SIM card and check if the SIM does not fit in the tray, then fit it. If SIM card damaged, ask your carrier for a new SIM card. Solution 2. Go to settings. Turn on airplane mode. After a few seconds, turn it off. Solution 3. Force to restart iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 4. Go to settings. Tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again, tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Solution 5. Go to settings. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If iOS update is available, then install it. I hope your problem is solved. So guys, like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.